casserole with a variety of fresh and delicious vegetables. You can serve rice or bread with the casserole. You need the following ingredients:
lamb 500 grams, peas 1 cup, carrots 2 sliced, zucchini resliced, potatoes 2 diced, onions 1 chopped, tomato juice 2 cups, garlic 2 cloves chopped, hot pepper 2 pods chopped, chicken broth 1 cube, black pepper 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, mixed spices 1 tablespoon, olive oil 2 tablespoons.
Place the olive oil in a saucepan over medium heat.
Then add the meat and stir for a few minutes. Then add the onion, hot pepper, and minced garlic and stir. Season with black pepper, salt, and mixed spices and stir the ingredients. Cover the pot and leave it on the heat for about 5 minutes. Remove the lid and add the tomato juice and stock cube. Then stir the ingredients well until they are combined. Then add the carrots, zucchini, potatoes, and peas and stir the vegetables with the meat well. Pour a cup of boiling water over the ingredients. Stir well, then leave on the heat for about 30 additional minutes until fully cooked, then serve. Thank you so much for watching our meat and vegetable casserole video. We hope you enjoyed the recipe and found it easy to follow. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest recipes. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to share more delicious dishes with you.